Alright, so this is a level 2 question, a little bit more detailed. It says a boat is motoring at 10 degrees east of north at 15 meters per second. What are the x and y components that make up this vector? Alright, so in this situation, I sketched this out. Sketched it wouldn't necessarily be there for you, but take a moment and pause this video and solve it out. Okay, so to solve this problem is just a little trigonometry problem, and you want to know the individual pieces that make this up component-wise for x and y. Alright, so there it is. Now, in this situation, we are using SOHCAHTOA, okay, the sine function and the cosine function. We have rearranged these particular situations where the x component is equal to the magnitude of the vector times the cosine of the absolute angle, and the y component is equal to the magnitude of the vector times the sine of the absolute angle. Alright, so what is the absolute angle here? Well, you'll notice my math, I have 80 here. So the question here, I said, why 80, not 10? You could do 10, and in this situation, you would need to be a little more careful with your SOHCAHTOA. My answers here are correct. We have a small x and a larger y. You should be aware of that. 14.7 is the larger, which should be the y. Smaller, 2.6. With that being said, be somewhat aware of that. This always works. So the absolute angle here is when we measure off of the x component. So this angle right here is 80. And we would continue that all the way around, okay, until, no matter where the vector is, measure out the 80. So it's either it goes from here to here's 90, 180, 270, 360. We take it off the east mark. So the angle could be as large as 360. And then this formula automatically gives you the x and y components. And that ends this pretty straightforward level 2 question. Thank you.